Adam, can you tell Daddy, say, what does an elephant say? What does a dog say? Dog, dog. What does a bunny say? Hop, hop. What does a duck say? Quack, quack. What does a cat say? Careful. Do you hear him? Where is he? What
does the sheep say? What does the horse say? Neigh, neigh.
Can you say ketchup? Adam. Can you say ketchup?
Where's your pants?
Where are your pants? Go put your pants on. No, those are the wrong pants. Look at those pants. Seats. What are these, your pants? You want to put them on? Come here, I'll help you. You need help?
You want both pair on?
Thank you. Up? Oh! Can't say P. What does, oh, you want to say the alphabet?